hard to get to. Should be able to just pull that off there. Watch me fail at it because I said that. There we go. There's another one of them politician boards.
Crooked as heck, huh?
Yep. Really?
If you just pulled a little bit, you could pull it up out of there, couldn't you?
I got it in there too good. I'll just cut that. Excuse me. I'll just cut that. A lot of people just cut this wire and go on, but I'm wanting to use it in some cement later.
Yeah. Would be good for that.
Plus all these things here are flats. Every one of them.
Yep.
Ooh.
Broke, didn't it? Yeah. Incredible Hulk.
The problem with that one is getting that other part out.
Yep.
That's going to be fun. Nope, we'll throw this old rotten thing over here. We'll have to cut the grass here soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to have to dig that up.
Yeah, I see it sticking out there.
That look about right?
Yeah.
Oh, you're going to give me a hard time, aren't you?
Not ready?
Whoops. Let's see. Let's try a different route here.
Yeah, that's one way to do it.
Maybe.
It may have just rotted down there.
Are you did get in the hole? Okay.
Oh, there it goes.
There's the rest of the story.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
All right. Somebody been sneaking and eating down here, ain't they? Wasn't me.
What me? Who would need to hide and eat down here?
Well, there's only one type of person that hides and eats anyway. But I don't want to mention it, so.
Okay. And that's the rest of the story, right?
I think the Bible calls them gluttons.
Yep.
you have to sneak and do anything, you shouldn't be doing it, by the way.
No. You're sneaking for a purpose, right?
That's right. That's why evil is the forces of darkness, not the forces of light.
Yeah. Because you gotta hide and do it in the dark where nobody can see you.
Kind of like those people that go to them meetings all the time. I forget what they're called.
Oh, in them little clubs?
Yeah. They go in their meetings. Why, if they were up to no good, then...
No reason to hide, right?
Yep.
And why
become a member.
aren't women allowed?
Well, I think same reason why any guy would not want a woman around. One of those.
There's Jack.
I thought he got out.
No. You and Jack been going round and round, ain't you?
Oh no, I got him now. He ain't going nowhere. Where are you going, Jack? Nowhere. Yeah, we'll stop there. Maybe 31 inches, but if it is, that's close enough.
Yeah.
We're going to have a little bit of a hangover on top. We got to cut off flush anyway. So that's what I didn't like about these. Is we didn't cut them off flush. I think it'd look a lot better if we did. You know?
Yeah, they would have.
But our roof, or our ceiling on this one's going to be up much higher than that. That way you don't have to...
Yeah, I didn't like that. When I was taking care of the strawberries, I didn't like having to bend down. I had my back hurt after that.
Yeah, it makes you want to get a cane and walk like a
Yeah.
old person. No offense to my old persons out there.
It was just hard on your back to do that.
Getting our stuff down here. Let me get us a post. We're down to our bottom layer on our post.
Cool.
So we don't need these sticks.
Time to buy more posts.
Oh, this one looks good. Probably should have used it on the corner post. Look how good that one looks.
Yeah,
There's
it looks
a nice one there.
looks really good, don't it?
Yeah, we should have used that one on our door.
Yeah.
But
Too late
well.
now.
Too late now. Oops.
You knocked it over.
I don't think it really matters which end we use on this one because they both look good.
I guess just pick one.
We'll look real quick. Yeah, they both look good. Well, I guess we'll throw this one in the hole then. Or no, we'll throw that in the hole. Split it around. There. Now, pop quiz. How deep do you want to put a post that's 10 foot tall in the hole?
30 inches.
30 inches, but why?
Because like it's half of the post.
No. 25%.
Oh yeah, 25%. I'm sorry.
At least 25%. You can put more in the hole, but that is the bare minimum. If you don't do it like that, then it gets wobbly. They say, well, your posts are kind of wobbly anyway. Not really. I mean, that's pretty good there, guys.
They're settling. After they settle, they'll be strong. You won't be able to move them.
Wait till we get some weight on them.
Oh yeah.